Okay, you guys, today I am going to make a lasagna with meatballs. So I won't have to cook my hamburgers. All I'm going to do is air fry these meatballs, and we're going to go from there. Okay, so I air fry some meatballs, and here they go. So, reduced fat, mild cheddar cheese. And for the sauce, we're going to use Yo Mama roasted garlic. This is the tomato sauce we're going to use. And these are my noodles I'm going to use. So I'm already started. So I already got the sauce in there. I put some cheese down there. And then I'm going to lay it out. And then you will see what my lasagna will look like using meatballs. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of the meatballs and put them in my Ninja blender. And we're going to see how they turn out. I didn't feel like chopping them, y'all. So this is what we're going to do. And they're in there. Excuse the noise, y'all. This is the first time I'm doing this, y'all, so I'm going to take my time. Okay, let's see what it looked like. Oh, yeah. Look at there. Look at there. Wow. Okay, y'all, this is something new I'm trying. And you layer it over your... I have noodles over there under here, and I have some sauce. I already put some sauce up there because I know you can see it right there. And so now I'm going to sprinkle some cheese up here. And you just grill just a little bit just to get it. And I did use a little garlic and lemon pepper. Y'all know I love that lemon pepper. So just give it a little season. I did use my garlic powder. And I did use my lemon pepper. And sprinkle a little bit of that over there. And I'm about finished. Alright, here is my lasagna. You don't have to worry about spreading the cheese all over because once it melts, it's going to get all over. It's going to spread all over the pan. So you don't have to worry about spreading the cheese evenly. But this is my lasagna, and it'll go in the oven probably about 15 minutes or until this top cheese melt. And that will be our dinner for tonight. Alright, y'all. All I gotta do is get some green to go with it. If they want some garlic bread, they can get some garlic bread or cheese bread. But this is our dinner for tonight. So I hope y'all enjoy looking at this video and seeing how I make a lasagna with meatballs. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, please comment. And if you ever made a lasagna with meatball, please let me know down below. Until next time, don't forget to live, laugh, and just be happy.